Okay, today I want to show you what I got from Google programs that I joined. The first is the gift from Juara GCP, that is Google Cloud Programs in Indonesia. Let's open the box. Okay, I open it. Open it carefully. Oh, wait. Yeah. Oh, what's that? That is a tumbler. Okay. Oh, look. Oh, good. Tumbler from Google Cloud. You can see the logo. This. Oh, and then there is a t-shirt. Oh, blue t-shirt with maybe Google Cloud logo or what. Yeah, that's right, Google Cloud. Yeah, that's good. Okay, and what else? Oh, there's a sticker Google Cloud, TensorFlow, and GCP programs. And then after this I have something to show you, another package from Google. Okay, this is good. Another package is, wait, yeah. This is the package that I got from the SC programs, the Graduate Student Program for Developer Student Clubs in Indonesia. Okay, I open this bag. That is a bag, laptop bag. Okay, with Developer Student Clubs logo. Oh, that's good. Okay, and then I want to open what else inside this bag. Okay, yeah, wait. This. What's inside this? And then what is inside this side? Oh wait, slightly hard. Okay. Oh, there is a sticker. Let's open. Let's see this. Oh, Developer Student Clubs logo stickers. And then the t-shirt. Yeah, that's right. The t-shirt. DSC t-shirt. Okay. Developer Student Clubs. Nice. And then what else inside the bag? Oh, what's that? Only, oh, card holder. This card for credit card or like that to save. Wait, oh, nice logo inside that. Oh, good. Yeah, for 6 card maybe. Okay, and then what else inside the bag? Oh, the rope. And then what? Oh, card holder again. What else? Oh, nothing. Okay, the next package I got from Google, from the program. Oh yeah, Google AI, from Google AI, the programs to review the Google AI program in Bahasa Indonesia. From review that site, I got this bag. Oh, awesome, right? With the logo Google AI. Nice bag. Cool. Okay. And then what else I got? Oh yeah, the first bag from the DSC program summit in Bali, yeah. Developer Student Clubs Indonesia Summit in Bali in 2018. Laptop bags, and what is inside that bag? Oh yeah, the DSC keyring. Nice. Oh, there are many. And then what else inside the bag? Wait. Okay, I open this side. Oh, there is a tumbler, and oh, the cover laptop. There is a book. The book I got from Google for Indonesia Developer Showcase in Jakarta. Yeah, annual program from Google in Indonesia. And then that's the tumbler from the DSC Summit. Yeah, look nice. Okay, and then what else? Oh, wait. Hmm, the sticker. What's that? Yeah, the sticker. Oh wait, this is the letter from Google AI from Miss Fabria Rosita, the Googler in AI program. Oh wait, yeah. What else? Oh, nothing. Nothing else. That's good. DSC Summit. This is the Tumblr, and then the letter from Google AI programs, and that is the back. And then yeah, good. The program from Google for Indonesia Developer Showcase. And then yeah, this DSC program graded for the graded DSC program, yeah. And then this is the back, laptop back. Yeah, good logo. Yeah, and this is the t-shirt DSC. Yeah, and the last thing I got is Google Crop from Juara GCP programs in Indonesia. Oh, cool, right?